Magandang buhay sa lahat, Lizken update muli. Enrique Hill, na-miss na, ang pamangkin ni Liza Soberano, kay Justin, na sina Lily, at Bella. Alam naman natin, kung gaano kamahal, ng King of the Hill, ang family ni Hopi. At ang Lizken, di nalingid sa atin, kung gaano sila kalapit, sa puso ng mga bata. Ayon pa sa isang fan, one thing I like, about Ken. He does not only love Liza, but all the people, close to her. That speaks volumes. MBS talaga, si GF. Samantala, Liza Soberano brother Justin, shared photos, with friends, Yana, Kimi, EJ and Liza Soberano. Finish fun art, with friends. A masterpiece, of their own work. Good job guys, unbothered queen spotted, doing some jumping squat, finishers total, of 50 times 2 sets, with friends. Nag-enjoy lang, ang Lizken. Unbothered, kung ano man ang ibinabato, sa kanila. Ito pa, ang ibang kuha, kung saan ang lapit din, ng loob ni Rian, sa kanyang kuya Ken.